everybody. My name is David Tanklefsky, and very excited to be here to share a couple songs with you. I've seen love go right past my window, in shapes strange and shapes familiar. I've got lullabies longer than your restless sighs. Hold your breath so deeply, then let go. Oh, 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 and I'm just walking backwards, looking for my mother's arms, singing songs I'll know when I am old. Oh, oh, old, and if you'll walk with me, turn to the light and presently load up the boat and row until the shore disappears. And I've known bread lines longer than the grapevine, with fruits you'd pick forever when you're hungry. And I've known good friends watch as they slowly descend into the night and disappear. And I'm just thinking about you and all the miles I've run through, and I would part the seas just like a fool. Oh, 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 and that's what fools do. At least that's what they're supposed to when they're feeling foolish and in love. When they're feeling foolish and in love. And I've seen thunder over the ridge and under, load up the car and drive until it passes. And I've been scared and faithful, I have been so grateful for everything that's past and all that's yet to come. And if I need forgiveness, I don't mind the darkness if the stars are writing out my name. And if we get to tomorrow filled with joy and sorrow, I know I'd be glad that I came. I know I'd be glad that I came. That is the first song on a record that I'm working on that's coming out in April. That song is called Fools. And this is the newest song I've written, which will be on the next record. The record that's not yet written. And I try to pick up the pieces, and I cry, although it's nobody's fault. I don't think it's a crime to dream your life away. I've wanted to, and I do it still. I don't think you know, there's a hole in my heart where once you dreamed within. Why would you have mercy now? You didn't have fear. I'm just doubled over with my thoughts again. They hold me truly. They hold me truly. They hold me truly. They hold me truly. And I hear whispers in the trees again. I can't tell you how much I wish that it was nothing at all. But I don't think it's a crime to dream your life away. I've wanted to, and I do it still. I don't think you know there's a hole in my heart where once you breathed within. Why would you have mercy now? You didn't have fear. I'm just doubled over with my thoughts again. I'm just doubled over with my thoughts again. I'm just doubled over with my thoughts again. They hold me truly. They hold me truly. They hold me truly. That's important. Like when I finish writing a song or recording a song, it's almost like I'm suffocating unless it's just like out there. I'm like, I just want to play this in front of somebody, or record it and get it up online so that it's at least there, whether or not it has any audience after myself and my friends. This is another pretty new song. It's about what happens when love leaves. And it's called Love Grows Cold. And it's a little nod to my favorite pop songwriter of all time. You've probably heard of him, Paul Simon. If not, check him out. He's going places. Okay. I caught the fever, you caught the flu. Ain't it just like love to write a little IOU? Some love endures, but it seems fewer and few. Some love grows cold these days. It's just that heartache hits you right in the face. Thinks you're climbing that ladder, love puts you back in your place. I guess I'm a card-carrying member of the human race. Some love grows cold these days. I've been riding bitter down the road myself. If it can't be you, then I don't want nobody else. In the passenger seat, on the road straight to hell. Some love grows cold these days. And what more is there to say? Some love grows cold these days. Some love grows cold. I feel bitter and alone. Some love grows cold these days. Some love grows cold these days. Some love grows cold these days. We've been pretty lucky to have at least a small following in a number of different cities, and it's not lucrative for sure, but there's definitely been a group of people that have been supportive of my music and my friends' music, a larger community of people, for years and years. So when I get frustrated or go through those feelings of disappointment that I think most musicians or creative people go through, of like, why don't more people know about this? It's like, well, I think you have to have some perspective and I feel lucky that there are people around the country, even though it's a small group of people that come out to shows and are supportive. So I do it in order to play shows and occasionally to tour. That's kind of why I write music. A lot of people would just rather record it and have it be out there, but I really prefer the live aspect of it and actually sharing it with people in the flesh. Carrie took her clothes off and she went to bed. She woke with a fright. Mama's on the phone and she's crying, don't know why. Carrie, will you come with me? I'm your friend. Baby, we can go, I'll take you somewhere we'll never go back. Oh, is there nothing I can say? Oh, is there nothing I can say? Except that, Carrie, I wish there was another way. Carrie, I wish there was another way. Oh, 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 oh. I know your brother gets angry. He says it serves you right. I'm the one that wants to be with you, but still you put up a fight. And it's gonna be a long road, and I'll miss your touch. And oh my God, although it might kill me, you don't miss me that much. Oh, it seems foolish to be sure. Oh, it seems foolish to be sure. But Carrie, I don't know if I can take any more. I just don't know if I can take any more. Oh, 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 oh. And if we can lift ourselves up, we rise. If we can lift ourselves up, we rise. And if we can lift ourselves up, we rise. We rise. Oh, 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 All right, so these are all originals, but this next one I'm going to do is a cover song by a band from Brooklyn called Dirty Projectors. And it starts off with an introduction of a voicemail that was left to me by my good friend, Pete Michelini.
First saved message. First saved message. First saved message. Sent Monday, May 6th at 6:26 p.m.
What's up, First Jiggle Steve? This is your boy Straw. I was calling to let you know my P.O. box number so you could send me a fat check of $100. You ready for it? 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 It is P.O.
Last night all my attention squinted westward and the sunset with a map and a compass. When a man reached up, said something there against the sky, a point of light. Too invisible to give itself to the naked eye. On the shore, people yelling, in their eyes a great reflection. In the griddle where they're positioned, unconcerned with intuition, there could never be our sympathy from that wilderness, so let it be arrested. Well, the record comes out April 22nd, and I'm going to play a number of shows up and down the East Coast right around that time, like end of April to the beginning of May, and then go out and do the West Coast, which will be my first time as a solo musician playing a string of shows on the West Coast. So that'll be the end of May. And then I've got a couple other plans in the works for the summer with a group of friends who are all songwriters originally from Boston, who now live throughout the Northeast. So we call it the Bay State Friends, and everybody plays very short solo sets. And we'll be doing that. I think we're going to do a run of shows like all through Massachusetts, Boston area, Cape Cod, and then out west. So I'll be busy. This is a song about a Red Sox outfielder from the 1970s named Bernie Carbo. And every word in this song is true. I actually have been trying to find Bernie Carbo, and our paths have kind of crossed in interesting ways over the years. I'm not sure if he's heard the tune yet, but if he's watching, here goes. Oh, when Bernie Carbo hit that long drive in the late fall of 1975, I read that he was high, high, high as the night was long. And what happened to that man? He had this whole city in the palm of his hand. He's floating down that river, and we all are. And the crowd stood and cheered as he rounded third. And that pitcher on the pitcher's mound smiled and flipped him the bird. And why do we do it? Why do we do it? Why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why do we do it? We'll do anything to see that banner raised. Well, he's walking down the stairs in that long robe. I read all about it in the sports pages of the Globe. I drove all the way back down Route 93 that night. Well, Bernie Carbo kicked the habit, found Jesus. I read that he was doing all right. And the crowd stood and cheered as he rounded third. And that pitcher on the pitcher's mound smiled and kept his word. And why do we do it? Why do we do it? Why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why do we do it? We'll do anything to see that banner raised. Bernie Carbo, I'm gonna pray for you when you're lying in your grave. Yep. All right, I'm going to play one more. This song is called River, and it's going to be the last song on this new record that I've been working on. Thank you all for hanging out with me on an evening such as this, or a day or an afternoon. I'm not quite sure when this will air, but I appreciate it. And if you like what you hear, you can go to tanklefsky.bandcamp.com, and you can check out some songs and see some tour dates that are coming up this spring. Thank you very much. Just got to grab the other guitar here. Guitar change. So as a songwriter, a lot of times you sit down to write something and just nothing comes your way, and you kind of have to work at things, and sometimes an idea comes along and it takes months or years before it's fully realized. And then some songs just kind of come to you and it's like you didn't even write them. You just kind of have to get out of the way and let whatever is happening happen. And that is the case with this song. It happened on, it came into this earth on December 31st, 2011 as a fully formed property. So here it is. It's called River. I'm gonna float in the river till it runs dry. I'm gonna float in the river till it runs dry. I'm gonna float in the river till it runs dry and I can't swim. I'm gonna float in the river and I'll jump right in. The sun is gonna shine on the day I close my eyes. The sun is gonna shine on the day I close my eyes. Sun is gonna shine on the day I close my eyes. It might be sad, but the sun is gonna shine just like the day before. And girl, you know I hate to see you walk out the door. Girl, you know I hate to see you walk out the door. Girl, you know I hate to see you walk out the door, but I guess I'm gonna live and just keep making my way on down the line. And I'm gonna find myself a plot of land. No one is ever gonna find me there. I'm gonna find myself a plot of land. No one's ever gonna find me there. I'm gonna live alone a while. but I'm gonna float in the river till it runs dry. I'm gonna float in the river till it runs dry. I'm gonna float in the river till it runs dry and I can't swim. I'm gonna float in the river and I'll jump right in.